Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a memory upgrade that could breathe new life into your Dell Latitude 5450. We're talking about the Arch Memory 16GB DDR5 SODIMM, specifically designed as a replacement for the original. This isn't just any RAM. It's a DDR5 module running at a speedy 5600 MHz. That translates to significantly faster data access, which is crucial for demanding tasks like video editing, running virtual machines, or even just multitasking with numerous browser tabs open. The PC5-44800S specification ensures it can handle the bandwidth required for modern applications. The module operates at a low voltage of 1.1 V, which is great for laptop battery life. It's a 262-pin SODIMM, the standard form factor for laptops, ensuring compatibility with the Latitude 5450. Arch Memory emphasizes quality, using rugged, Tier 1 IC chipsets. This focus on component selection suggests a commitment to both performance and long-term reliability. In a world where memory failures can be a headache, that's a reassuring detail. One of the most compelling aspects is the lifetime replacement warranty. This demonstrates confidence in the product's durability and provides peace of mind. Knowing that you're covered should any issues arise is a significant benefit. Upgrading your laptop's memory is one of the most effective ways to improve overall system responsiveness. By installing this 16GB module, you're essentially giving your Latitude 5450 more room to breathe, allowing it to handle larger datasets and more complex operations without bogging down. For users of the Dell Latitude 5450 looking for a performance boost, the Arch Memory 16GB DDR5 5600MHz SODIMM presents a compelling option. The combination of speed, quality components, and a lifetime warranty makes it a worthwhile upgrade to consider.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.